Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the transformation of ICT operations and services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. In this extract, we want to talk about specific trends that are occurring and the response required from ICT operations and services. As we've talked about before, there's a core platform of internet, mobile computing, cloud computing, social media, big data, cloud-based services, Internet of Things that are all converging to provide a core platform of which businesses and society operates. Being added to this platform is real-time decision-making, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. There's a couple of key trends that result. First of all, the traditional knowledge worker services like project management, taxation, audit, legal, and other common routine knowledge worker operations are being provided out of the cloud. Just as platform as a service, software as a service, database as a service, infrastructure as a service provides the technology, as we go forward, it is the provision of the knowledge worker services from the cloud that is going to have a huge impact upon business and upon ICT operations and services. These knowledge worker services from the cloud will include the servers, the load balancers, the firewalls, the databases, the database management, the applications, the best practice, the governance, the frameworks, provision of skilling and training, the routine reporting, as well as resourcing. A lot of it driven on-demand services. The second big trend is this. Knowledge workers currently use applications to access information. They put it in the context of a workflow and they deliver services and products. As we go forward, the focus is no longer on the provision of the application, but provision of the information in the context of a workflow. We're moving from the consumption of applications to the direct consumption of information. For ICT operations and services, the focus is no longer, let me rephrase that, the focus is changing from the management and assurance of the provision of applications to the management and assurance and provision of information. The third component is that there is going to be increased consumption of information directly, machine to machine, without the human intervention. This reinforces the move away from the consumption of applications to the consumption of information and the changes to ICT operations and services. A quick example, ICT operations and services at the moment is server number 7 goes down, let me go and replace a hard drive. As we go to the consumption of information, it is assuring the provision of that information, whether it comes from in-house, whether it's external providers, whether it's a combination. It is the prioritization of the recovery and provision and assurance of information. This is a big change to the models of ICT operations and services, and this is what we're going to explore further in this session. For those online, please feel free to enjoy the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.